When it comes to your HVAC system, proper air filter maintenance is important for energy efficiency. I'm Lauren from serviceQ, and I'll be going over how to change your furnace filter. When changing your furnace filter, step one is to turn off your furnace. If you're not sure where your furnace filter is, it will be located between the big return plenum and your blower. Remove the furnace cover, pull out the furnace filter. When putting back the new filter, look for the arrow on the filter. Make sure the arrow is pointed towards the furnace. This is for proper airflow. A serviceQ representative will place a sticker on your furnace filter cover indicating where the arrow should point. You should inspect your furnace filter regularly, typically every 3 months, and replace every 6 months. However, if your landscaping is not complete or you are living in a brand new construction area, it is recommended that you check your furnace filter more frequently. Similarly, your lifestyle can also affect the replacement cycle of your filter. There is noticeable discoloration on the filter. You can see the buildup of dirt and dust. You find your home needs dusting frequently. You realize it's been several months since you replaced your filter. When changing your furnace filters, marking them with a date is a great idea. This serves as a reminder of when you last changed your filter. For inquiries, please reach out to serviceQ at 780-490-2546 or follow us on Instagram at serviceqedm.